it might be better with this side.
Yeah, I like that side better for starting it off, and then other side finishing it.
Right, take that out your eyesight.
That.
That. Move it round the other side of the tree. Right, get a good welly now. That's it. Now thin it. Turn your blade over. Now thin it. Go on, that's it. Just hit it above where it's bent.
There.
Yeah. Go on, follow that down. Thin that there. That's the way. Thin it. Go on, thin it. Put your...
There'll be a comment at the side of it saying, "This is the way not to do it."
Weaklings.
I mean, we've been on this tree now 10 minutes.
You'd think it were bloody...
Start cracking it, go down.
Okay.
So yeah, so a bit
So
higher.
there.
Yeah. That's it. Going that in like that. That's it, and it'll start peeling down. Have you had a go at it yet?
I'm useless now.
You're not useless.
Well, I actually...
Keep going.
A bit more.
Yeah. Is it on its... Does it want to stay there on its own?
Yeah. Yeah, that's fine.
Is this now?
Smile. Smile, you're on Instagram. That's it.
Let it go now. Just lift it over.